The first doll is the old doll. This one. See? The icons are different from the new dolls. See? You see the difference, right? The eye colors a bit too light. For this one, for me, it's a more perfect blue color, and her dress is prettier. And this one of my doll, like from the other, it is a new doll. Hairstyles are different. So next part is the cars. This one got totally different. It looks the same, but the back side can open. It can't open in the back. It can open the door, and the other difference is that these two cars have different ways that it's made. This one is just only normal. It doesn't got any decorations like stripes or stars or any. For this one, it does. Just 2 stripes here and 2 stripes here. And these ones are new. This one, it only got for opening. And the new dolls today look like this.
And?
So the difference and the dolls are the looking.
Yeah.
They don't looking common. But they are having the same purpose, which is that we're now in the car stage. You see the difference of this car from this car. See this one? You see the top got a stripes, and can't open in the back. Oh, in the front. And the bottom part, you see, it makes those kind of noise. The conclusion about for their kids to play with, and so they won't get bored. Even though they have some difference, but they are having the same purpose, giving happiness and joy to all kids that is playing with it.